Hello everyone, welcome to a new lesson of acid, bases and salt. So this will be a very interesting lesson, so stay tuned and please don't skip from the middle of the lesson. Read and learn the full video throughout the lesson. I'll be teaching you many important concepts. So let's get started with the new lesson of acid, bases and salts. So let's start with today's new topic of acid, bases and salts. So we all know that in our daily life we are using many different type of substances such as lemon, tamarind, common salt, sugar, vinegar. So we all know that these are tasting different. So they don't have the same taste. Some are sweet, some are sour, some are salty and some are bitter. Okay, so do they have the same taste? Let us recall the tastes of some edible substances listed in the table 4.1 below. So in 4.1 below we have given you some substances which all are edible, right? Edible means you can eat those substances. So we should just taste them and we can write the taste in this part, that what does these taste like. So if you have not tasted any of these substances, taste it now and enter it in the table 4.1. Now there is a caution for you people, because do not taste anything unless asked to do so, and do not touch anything unless asked to do so. So you are kids of 7th standard, so you might be many things you don't know that whether they are edible or not, and you want to taste them. Please don't do. You can taste things only under the supervision of your parents or your elder ones, right? So let us see in this table. We can see the lemon juice. What is the taste of that? Orange juice, vinegar, curd, tamarind, sugar. These are things which we are using daily in our everyday food and all, right? Common salt, amla, baking soda, grapes, unripe mango and cucumbers. So we can taste these things and we can write the taste over in this table. Okay. So let us see that why is this taste variation in all these substances. Now you find that some of these taste sour, some taste bitter and some taste sweet and some are salty in taste, right? So acids and bases. So what are these? Like curd, lemon juice, orange juice and vinegar, they taste sour. Okay. So these substances, they taste sour because they are containing some amount of acid in them. So the chemical of nature of these substances is acidic, because they are tasting sour. Acid tastes sour, and because the chemical nature of these substances is acidic, they taste sour. Now the word acid comes from the Latin word acer, which means sour, and these acids, we can say that these substances, they are having natural acids, right? So what about baking soda? Does it also taste sour? If not, what is the taste? Since it does not taste sour, it seems that it is having no acids, right? So it is bitter in taste, and if you rub its solution within your finger, it feels soapy. Okay. So baking soda, if you are taking because you are having baking soda at home, your mother will be cooking with baking soda. When you are baking cakes and all, we use baking soda. So when you take a pinch of baking soda in your hand and you just rub it with your fingers, you will feel a soapy feeling. Certainly these substances which are bitter in taste, feel soapy on touching, these are all bases. That is, they are basic in nature. So the nature of these substances is said to be basic. Okay, so the sour substances are acidic in nature and these substances are basic in nature. So if we cannot taste every substance, how do we find its nature? Now, special type of substances are used to test whether a substance is acidic or basic. So, what are these called? These are called indicators. So, indicators are substances which will tell you the nature of the substance, whether it is acidic or it is basic, as it is not possible for us to taste each and every substance. Is it clear to all of you, right? Now the indicators change their color when added to a solution containing an acidic or a basic substance, right? Now turmeric, litmus, china rose petals are some of the naturally occurring, we can say, indicators, right? Litmus, turmeric, china rose petals, these are naturally occurring indicators which are present in nature. So, see, The natural indicators around us, litmus, it is a natural dye. The most commonly used natural indicator is litmus. And from where it is extracted? It is extracted from lichens. And it has a mauve or a purple color in distilled water. So from the plant lichens only, it has been extracted litmus. When added to an acidic solution, it turns red. That is, it turns the acidic solution red, and when it is added to a basic solution, it turns that blue. Okay, so it is available in the form of a solution or in the form of strips as well. So we can say that when you are placing a strip of blue litmus in an acidic solution, it will turn red. And when you are putting the we can say that in a red litmus, it will turn blue in a basic solution, right? So strips are acting like that. They are available in red and blue strips. So in case of acid, if you are dipping blue litmus, it will turn red, and in case of bases, if you are dipping red litmus, it will turn blue. Okay, so they are available in the red and blue litmus paper form. So this is lichen. From this only this red and blue litmus strips are obtained. Now we will move on to this. Do you know? We will read through this name of the acid and where it is found in, and name of the base. So name of the acid here is acetic acid, and it is found in a vinegar, which is a substance which is mainly used in many of our food. Okay, so the next comes formic acid. It is present in ant sting. Okay, citric acid, it is present in citrus food, oranges and lemons. Lactic acid, it is present in curd. Oxalic acid is present in spinach. Ascorbic acid is present in amla and citrus foods, that is vitamin C, ascorbic acid. Another name is vitamin C. Next comes tartaric acid, which is present in tamarind, grapes, unripe mangoes, etc. Now, all these things are acidic in nature, but below we will be seeing the basic substances like calcium hydroxide, that is lime water. It is found in lime water. Ammonium hydroxide is found in a window cleaner. Sodium hydroxide and potassium hydroxide, they are found in soap, which we are using daily for washing and cleaning purposes. Magnesium hydroxide is present in the milk of magnesia. So these are the substances name of the bases, and this is found in all these things which I have mentioned here. Okay, so now they are asking, Bujo is asking that can I taste all the substances? So Paheli is telling, no, have you not read the caution? We should not taste the unknown substances. They can harm us, right? So like that only we can use these indicators to test whether that is an acidic or basic substance. We should not taste it by eating or putting it in our tongue. Now here is an activity 4.1. Let us go through this. Mix some water with lemon juice in a plastic cup, tumbler or a test tube. Put a drop of above solution on a strip of red litmus paper with the help of a dropper. Okay, so is there any change in color? Repeat the same exercise with blue litmus paper. So note that if there is any color change, what will happen? Perform the same activity with the following substances. So we know that lemon juice is acidic in nature. So acid turns the indicator blue litmus red. So blue litmus will be converted to red. But when we are using the red litmus, there will be no change of color, right? So blue litmus will turn red in this experiment. Now tap water, detergent solution, aerated drink, soap solution, shampoo. These are few substances they have given you. You can take the litmus paper and you can keep on recording what you get the result of the litmus paper when you are dipping in these solutions, whether in washing soda solution, in baking soda solution, in lime water we have done here. Other than that, many things, if possible, make the solutions in distilled water. Okay, so you should make these solutions of shampoo, soap and all in distilled water, because in tap water already it is contaminated with many substances. So it's better you make the solution with distilled water. Okay, so you record your observations and in your table As we can tell that as in table 4.2, if your table are there any substances on which the litmus has not any effect, so has no effect, so either the red litmus is also not changing the color or the blue litmus is not changing color, so how can you name those substances? So you have told that acidic substances are changing the blue to litmus to red, and basic substances are changing the red litmus to blue. So the solutions which do not change the color, either red or blue litmus, are called neutral substances. Okay, so the substances are neither acidic nor basic in nature, they are neutral substances. Okay, now here let us see. Turmeric is another natural indicator. With turmeric, let us see what experiments we can do. Now take a tablespoon of turmeric powder and a little water and make a paste of turmeric. So you are taking in a container a little bit of turmeric and a little bit of water to make a paste of turmeric powder. The turmeric paper is depositing turmeric paste on blotting paper, filter paper, and then you dry it. Cut the thin strips of yellow paper obtained. So you are taking strips of filter paper or blotting paper and you are spreading this turmeric paste on it and you are drying it after under the sun or under the fan. Now you are cutting strips of this turmeric paper. Now put a drop of soap solution on this strip of turmeric. What do you observe? So what you will observe when turmeric when you are putting the soap solution on this turmeric. So generally what will happen? We will see that this turmeric paper, they will turn, when you are applying soap solution on this turmeric, it will be red in color. It will become a bright red color. Okay. So these are the things or indicators you can use while testing whether the substances are acidic, basic or neutral. Now, to prepare a lime water, take some water in a tumbler, add some lime or tuna. Okay, you know all tuna into it and stir the solution and keep it for some time so that the this lime should dissolve. Pour a little from the top. Now this is the lime water. Okay, so this when you are keeping it for some time, it is dissolving in water. Now you can use it, take it in a container, in a test tube or in a tumbler, and then you can use it for several experiments. Now you can test the solutions what we have told you above and write the effect on litmus paper, on blue litmus paper, and what is the inference, that is whether it is acidic, basic or it is neutral. Now here they have given you a card making activity, so you can make a greeting card for your mother on her birthday. How? You can apply turmeric paste on a sheet of plain white paper, dry it, draw a beautiful flower with a soap solution with the help of a cotton bud. So see how they have shown you, and you will see a beautiful greeting card with turmeric and a soap solution. So similarly, test the solutions listed in note down the observations. You may try solutions of other substances also. So they have given you a full list of substances to test, that is effect on turmeric solution. What is the effect you are getting? Lemon juice, orange juice, vinegar, milk of magnesia. What are the effects on this turmeric solution you are getting, and what is the remark? With this indicator you can test. Okay. So now here this is all 4.3. You can note down this. Okay. So with we can say another activity, the China rose is also an indicator. With that we can also test the activity, that is collect some China rose petals and place them in a beaker and add some warm water to it. So when you are taking China rose in a warm water, it will take some time to dilute, right? Keep the mixture for some time till water becomes colored and use the colored water as an indicator. Add 5 drops of indicator to each of the solutions. So you are keeping the mixture for some time till the water becomes colored, that is China rose, it will be red in color. So use this color solution as an indicator. So what will happen? What is the effect of the indicator on acidic, basic and neutral solutions? We should know that, right? So China rose indicator, it turns acidic solution to dark pink or magenta and basic solutions to green. And we know that neutral solutions, they won't change the color. So generally the color of this indicator is red in color. we can say that we have told that it will be a colored solution. So China rose, it will turn China rose solution, when on that acidic solutions are put, it will turn dark pink or magenta, and basic solutions will turn green in color. Okay, so this you can again, these substances, these all substances you can test with this China rose. Okay, this table 4.3, what they have told, that you can test with the previous indicator, that is, we have used turmeric solution as an indicator, or turmeric strips you can use as the indicator here, natural indicator. Whereas here you can use this China rose solution as an indicator, right? Here you are using China rose solution as an indicator to test the solutions, and here you can use turmeric. Okay, here you can use turmeric solution. So this is how you can test whether these substances are acidic or basic. Okay, I'm not getting the same result when using solid baking soda on dry litmus paper. Why? Make a solution of baking soda and then try. So everywhere they have told you that you are not supposed to use the powdered substance. You are always making a solution of those substances and you are trying it on this piece of indicators, right? Paheli brought the following riddle for you. Coffee is brown in color, it is bitter in taste. Is it an acid or a base? Don't give the answer without a test. You are in the dark with its test. So you can just make a solution of coffee. You can use any one of the indicators and see what all result this coffee is giving to you. So you all are having coffee at home, right? Now here is an activity. See, the teacher is requested to get a solution of following chemicals from her school laboratory or from a nearby school, that is hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, nitric acid, acetic acid, sodium hydroxide, ammonium hydroxide and calcium hydroxide. Now these substances, we are going to see the effect of these on litmus paper, turmeric paper and on China rose solution. So these are the chemicals your teacher is going to provide and show you in class, that what are these effects which are showing on litmus paper, turmeric paper and China rose solution. So this is very important, all indicators what we are going to test, we have done, and we should be testing with all these chemicals which your teacher can bring it from the school laboratory and do the test in your class. You can ask your teacher in class that, ma'am, we want to see in the laboratory how these substances are acting on litmus paper, turmeric and the China rose as well. Okay, so this is all for today's episode. I want to end it here, or else it will be like a more for you, because you have understood today the three types of indicator: acidic, basic and neutral substances. And in the next episode we will be studying about this acid rain, what is acid rain, and we will study about the neutralization process. Okay, so for that you need to subscribe to my channel, and whenever I'm posting any lessons you'll be getting the updates. So we will be posting the next lesson as neutralization, that is the next part of acid, bases and salt, and there only I'll be completing the full lesson. So till then, stay tuned, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to like and share my videos. Thank you, and please go through this video twice so that if you're having any doubts you can write in my comment box. Okay, bye bye.